There are 5 powerful investing strategies that I believe can drive long-term success and help build a strong portfolio. And these include momentum investing, growth at a reasonable price, high-income option strategies like the wheel strategy, dividend-focused approaches, and free cash flow-driven investments. In my opinion, these 5 strategies offer a strong foundation for building a portfolio that can weather market volatility and deliver consistent results. Now, if you were to ask me which strategy I feel is the most effective for maximizing portfolio growth, I would lean towards momentum investing as the best option over time. And I have covered a variety of ETFs that use momentum as their primary stock picking criteria, like SPMO, which has been able to significantly outperform the S&P 500 in the last year. SPMO has also outperformed in the last 3 years and 5 years. But there's another portfolio that I myself have been regularly following for the past year that, since inception, has been able to outperform the S&P 500 by more than 200%. This portfolio has also been able to crush the QQQ, and this brings me to the Alpha Picks portfolio. Alpha Picks is a stock portfolio created by Seeking Alpha that uses data-driven methodology to identify stocks with the highest probability of capital appreciation. Of course, past performance does not guarantee future results. The primary strategy that they use is momentum. Simply judging by the portfolio's performance since inception, which was July 1st of 2022, you can see how effective their strategy has been in identifying stocks with exceptional growth potential. So how does Alpha Picks work? Now, I understand that there are a lot of questions surrounding the efficacy of stock selecting services and how reliable they are, but the reason that I am an advocate and a personal user of Alpha Picks is because of how thorough they are with their analysis and the fact that they provide you with in-depth articles on each one of their stock selections. So it's not just a simple buy or sell signal like typical services provide, it is an in-depth analysis of a company's earnings, growth targets, margins, profitability, and quarter-over-quarter financial performance. This approach highlights all the critical metrics and details needed to identify stocks with the potential for exceptional growth. This is very different from investing in an ETF where you simply purchase an instrument and the fund manager makes all the decisions on your behalf without you knowing the reasoning behind those decisions. With Alpha Picks, you have 100% transparency with every single stock selection, and that is why I'm such a big fan of it and personally use it. And right now they are having a massive sale where you can get $124 off their Alpha Picks portfolio or $173 off their Alpha Picks and Premium bundle. However, this offer does end tomorrow, so make sure you grab the deal before it's gone. You can access the sale through the link in my description and/or comment section down below. Now, with all that being said, let's dive into the specifics of how their stock selection criteria works so that you guys can get a thorough understanding. To start, when you sign up for Seeking Alpha, Alpha Picks shows up under Investing Groups. And when you click on it, you'll land on the portfolio page where you have a list of all of the stocks within the Alpha Picks portfolio. Here you can see the date where each stock was picked, and next to it, you'll find the total return each selection has provided since the date it was included in the portfolio. Of course, past performance does not guarantee future results. Now, another thing that I love about this service is that they tell you the percentage allocation the portfolio has towards each individual holding. On the right, you can see the allocation, and you'll notice that everything is relatively evenly distributed. And personally, I find this to be a very effective way of minimizing overall portfolio risk, especially when it comes to momentum investing, because the last thing you want is to have far too much of your portfolio allocated towards 1 or 2 individual holdings, making it extremely top-heavy. In my opinion, one of the most crucial aspects of maximizing growth is letting your winners run. This is a core principle of momentum investing. You see, momentum investing revolves around the concept that assets that have performed well in the recent past are likely to continue to perform well in the near future. So in other words, it is capitalizing on an existing trend. Of course, it is not as simple as picking a stock that has seen the most appreciation in the last month, throwing all your money into it, and hoping that the trend will continue. In my opinion, that approach is closer to gambling. There's a variety of different value metrics and profitability metrics that investors need to incorporate in order to maximize the efficacy of momentum investing. And circling back to Alpha Picks, they highlight that the core reason for their outperformance is not just because they focus on one specific style of investing, but rather they look for stocks that have a strong combination of value, growth, profitability, momentum, and forward-looking earnings estimates. And I have talked about all of these many times in my previous videos. Now we have to talk about the steps this portfolio uses for their buy criteria. To begin, they have 2 strong buy-rated stocks per month, and investors get notified every time there's a new pick. One pick is added on the first trading day of the month, and the other is added on the 15th of the month or the closest trading day after that. Each pick must meet the following criteria: a strong buy quant rating for at least 75 consecutive days. And Seeking Alpha's quant rating is unique to their platform, and they spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on best-in-class data and analytical tools to generate their quant system. And their head of quantitative strategy, Stephen Kress, founded a quant hedge fund and Kress Capital Management while working on the quantitative trading desk at Morgan Stanley. Now, to explain how the quant rating works in simple terms, the quant system evaluates a stock using data such as company financial statements, stock price performance, analyst estimates, and projections of future revenue and earnings. And this system provides investors with an instant characterization of a stock. Now, AlphaPix focuses on stocks that have been given a strong buy rating for at least 75 consecutive days. But on top of that, they combine the expertise of their quantitative team and the unique data that only they have access to through the powerful systems that they've built. They make sure that it is not a REIT, it is a US common stock that has an average market capitalization that is greater than $500 million, has a stock price that is greater than $10, and has not been recommended in the past year. Now, going back to momentum and the concept of letting your winners run, the AlphaPix portfolio has 3 scenarios in which they will sell a portion of their position or completely dump a position. And this brings me to their risk mitigating tactics, which is where I want you guys to pay very close attention. Because at the end of the day, you have to remember that momentum investing carries risk, and it is extremely important to implement various tactics in order to minimize the downside. So their first criteria is that if the quant rating of a stock falls from a buy or a strong buy to a hold and remains there for 180 consecutive days, then they will sell the initial investment in the stock but keep the remainder of the position in the portfolio. This eliminates your initial risk completely, and all that you are leaving on the table is what you have gained from the position. The second scenario is if the stock's quant rating falls to a sell or a strong sell, and the third scenario is if the company announces a merger and acquisitions event. These are the only circumstances under which they will completely exit a position. Remember, their goal is to hold on to a position for the long term, so there is no day trading involved here. Now, every time they sell out of a position or partially sell a position, they reinvest the cash equally into all the stocks within the portfolio. So the question is, what if a stock just continues to climb and is consistently given a strong buy rating? This leads to another key aspect of their risk mitigation strategy. If a stock's position grows to 15% of the portfolio, it will be trimmed back to 10% to manage and reduce concentration risk. And we saw this happen with one of their top stock picks, SMCI, which is super microcomputers. As we know, SMCI was one of the darlings of the AI momentum that ignited in 2023 and 2024. And the stock saw a massive rally of over 1,000% in a matter of 2 years, becoming one of the most talked about stocks in the market. And AlphaPix initially selected SMCI for the portfolio on November 15th, 2022, when the stock was trading at only around $9 per share. SMCI was a key component of the portfolio until March 19th, 2024, which is when AlphaPix sold out half of the position, realizing almost a 1,000% gain from the initial buy signal. And then they held on to the remaining position until October 30th, 2024. So despite SMCI's catastrophic collapse of almost 90%, AlphaPix was able to capitalize on its insane momentum without suffering the heavy downfall. This just goes to show that momentum investing carries its own level of risk, and it is important to implement these risk mitigating tactics. Of course, no stock selection service is going to be perfect, and there are going to be certain stocks that don't perform as expected. And when you go to their closed tab, you'll see all of the stocks that they have closed. Now, only a small portion of these were actual losing positions, and the rest provided exceptional returns. But because their quant rating had fallen to a hold for 180 consecutive days, or a sell rating, that is what prompted the position to be closed. And you could see that many positions provided returns from 48%, 38%, 72%, while others did suffer 34% and 26%. But again, because the portfolio is so diverse, the impact of these positions are minimal on the total portfolio performance. And the total performance of the Alpha Picks portfolio includes all of the losing positions as well. So this just goes back to the level of transparency of the service and how investors can gain access to in-depth analysis of why a stock is a buy or why a stock is a sell. Now, this video is sponsored by Seeking Alpha, and I myself am an avid user of the platform. I use it every single day for all of my research purposes. And that is all for this one. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Discussions of ETFs, investing strategies, market updates, or specific funds are general, not tailored to your financial situation, and should not be relied upon for decision making. Investing involves significant risks, including total loss of principal, and past performance does not guarantee future results. I am not a registered financial advisor. My content reflects personal research and publicly available information. I may earn affiliate commissions from mentioned products or links disclosed per FTC guidelines, but these do not influence my opinions. Always consult a licensed financial professional and verify information independently. By watching this, you agree I am not liable for any losses or consequences from your actions. International viewers should consult local regulations.